Hi, so this is a video how to set up this universal annoying genie remote. Okay, now you can see that the remote is closing. It's gonna close the garage door. Okay. You can see it's closing it. Now what we're gonna do, you wanna press the program and the up and down arrow until it's blink like that green. Now if I'm pushing it, 1, 5, 3, 5, it's not doing anything. So it means it's ready to program. So now what you do is very simple. Press the code 1, 5, 3. You know what we'll do? Something simple. We'll do something simple so you see. Reset it again. Okay, I think it's reset it. You have to wait for it to get clear, about 15 seconds. Okay, it's cleared. Now what we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, enter. Now the code we're gonna do, you gotta put a code, manufacturer code. We're gonna press 1, it's gonna blink faster, you see. Now we're gonna go over here, we'll press the blue button, then we're gonna go back here, and then we're gonna click, 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 and then it starts to close again. Click again. Then from the outside, go outside, and close it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. It's closing. Wait for it to close. Now, click, click, nothing happens, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's open. Thank you guys very much.